All right, how you doing, everybody? Chris Bruce here, real estate investor, nationwide coach, as well as the founder of the top-rated podcast called Escaping the REI Newbie Zone. Now, I'm here at one of our wholesale properties, one of the deals we just picked up not too long ago. I actually picked this deal up while I was in Colombia with my dad. If you saw the video previous to this, you saw I was out in Colombia. And we picked this deal up, signed the contract while I was out the country. So I'm actually coming here. I usually don't come to my properties. I'm coming to this property just to shoot this video to talk about a few different things. Come walk with me. So one of the biggest things about properties that you'll see is that you want to make sure, whether it's you, your acquisition person, or whoever, is that yes, you can lock up deals over the phone, which is what we do. And we do really hard numbers looking at some of the properties that have sold. But what you can also do is leverage if the property needs upgrades, right? Because what happened is, tell me how many times, I'm pretty sure you can relate to this for those of you who've been wholesaling for a while, or even talk to some homeowners. The thing is that people would always tell you when you ask them, hey, is there any repairs that's needed on the property? What do they always say? Nah, it's ready. You can go ahead and just bring your toothbrush in and move. But as you can see here, that is not the case. These cabinets need to be replaced. These appliances are old. Everything has to come in here and get upgraded. So one thing you want to make sure is that don't just ask them, do the property need repairs, but ask them, is there upgrades needed? The simple thing is that, hey, listen, there may not be any repairs needed right now. However, if we were to say, give you a $20,000 free, gift card to Home Depot, what were some of the things that you would upgrade in the property? And when you ask a question like that, they'll start to tell you some of the things that need to be upgraded. Because again, what you want to do is you want to educate the seller. You want to let them know that, hey, for a property to sell at the retail price that they may be thinking about selling, is that they would need to upgrade the property to 2019's current condition. Homeowners always go into Zillow and see what they think the property is worth, and they compare it to other properties, but they yet to understand to sell a property at a retail price, these things need to be upgraded. So a lot of times you can leverage that in order to negotiate and get the property at a lower price. So that is the tip I want you to remind yourself to use every single time, is don't just think about asking the question where repairs are needed. Find out, is there any upgrades that's needed? And then once you use that, you can start to leverage that as a negotiation tool. All right, I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to it on YouTube. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Detroit Mogul. And I look forward to doing more videos like this and sharing more tips with you. You guys know my quote: don't live the dream, live your dream. I'll see you on the next flip.